What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is T. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I am going to be showing you guys how I got my Flexi rod set to look like this, how I got it to be this big, fluffy, curly fro right here. So if you guys want to see what I did and the products that I used, then stay tuned. And I am going to be doing a voiceover. Y'all know I really don't like doing voiceovers, but I had to for this video because I wanted to be like, you know, a tutorial style. And I was just like trying to focus on getting this hairstyle right. If you're a part of the Instagram fam, you already know, okay? I tried to do this once. It was a fail. So this is my second time trying to do this, and that just goes to show you guys that practice, practice, practice. You do it once, it fails. Okay, let's do it again. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're about to go in the voiceover mode and like right now. Okay, let's get it popping. Starting on freshly washed hair, I take my new favorite leave-in conditioner. This one is from Mielle to help me detangle my hair. And also shout out to everyone that like told me to get the easy detangler or told me their experience with it. So I used it again with this leave-in conditioner and it detangled my hair so good. Like it literally took me like 15 minutes to detangle. What? It literally took me like 15 minutes to detangle my hair. Like, what? I am just shook right now. I would definitely recommend getting this daggone detangler because it is a must-have if you have natural hair. Like, you need it. Give me a really good feeling all day long. And also this leave-in conditioner, yes, it smells good. And I feel like it's lightweight because when I woke up the next morning, my hair didn't feel super heavy, which sometimes it does with leave-in conditioners. This one was very lightweight, and yeah, I'm in love with this daggone leave-in conditioner, okay? I'm gonna continue to do the voiceover, but y'all, the way this joint is detangling my hair is just beyond me. Like, Denman brush could never, okay? Paddle brush could never. Tangle teaser could never. Look at the curls, getting all juicy and stuff. Moving right along, I'm going to go ahead and take about 3 to 4 pumps of my Lotto Body foaming mousse and work that into my hair. As you'll see me use the brush again because I really want to make sure that there were no kinks or like no curls or anything that will freaking mess up my Flexi rod set. And that is definitely one way to make sure you're going to get a bomb Flexi rod set is by making sure it's smooth on the Flexi rod and you're using lightweight products, because if your hair is heavy, your curls are just going to look very ill. Like just ill. It's gonna be flat. Like it's not gonna have no body, no shake, no, you know. I did try a different technique. Usually I'll just wrap it by starting at the end, but this time I took the Flexi rod and put it at the base of my hair and then I started wrapping it. I did like a twist and wrap method because I saw a lot of natural hair girls do this on YouTube, and I was like, I mean, I guess I'll try it, like see what they talking about, see what it's hitting on. And she was definitely hitting on a lot of things, and she did that. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me. Oh, and then another thing that helped me get like the volume that I was looking for was taking bigger sections. Since my hair is fine, if I take small sections, it won't look as big the first day as it did with this time. So this is the next day. I did sleep in these Flexi Rod sets, but before I went to sleep, girl, I sat under the dryer for 2 hours because I was not playing. I already did this once and I messed up, so I was not playing this time around. I sat under the dryer because the first time it didn't really dry all the way and it just didn't look right. So I wanted to make sure my hair was at least like 75% dry before I went to sleep. And I did sleep with a bonnet on to kind of make sure the hair wouldn't get disturbed while I was sleeping, because the girl is a rough sleeper. And now you just see me unwrapping my hair. So I wrapped it going away from my face, so I'll unravel it going towards my face. Hopefully that makes sense. But also some of them, they'll just slide right off, which, you know, was cool too. So I used my ancient Egyptian oil from Main Choice to separate and wrap the curls around my fingers. The point of me doing that is so that it will decrease the amount of frizz for like the curl. I don't really care if I have frizz like on my roots, but I don't want the curl to be disturbed. But this process is a little long, so yeah. All day long. So I just take a wide tooth comb. You can use a wide tooth comb or a pick. You don't really need a pick, but I mean, it's cute too, like, I guess. But I'm just taking this comb to fluff at my roots because, you know, I like big hair. But fluffing at the roots is pretty much combing your hair at the root, but not combing it all the way through. So you kind of want to stop, like maybe like a quarter way through, like just at the root literally. But you can bring it up as much as you want. I kind of bring it up like halfway through, and then that is it. That is how I got my hair to look like that. And you know what I'm saying, I'm about to go and take some pictures and stunt on these hoes, like, get at me, what was you saying, period. But yeah, that's how it's looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot in knowing what you guys like more and what you guys don't like, you know. So if you, I know you guys like hair content, but just let me know. Like this video, comment down below, share with your friends, with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, whoever, girl, share it, okay? I am feeling my though. So I am about to take some pictures for the gram and for like the thumbnail and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.